So what we are doing now, we are finishing the elf. Marco is just sticking all of the last parts, of course, after coloring and drawing it. At the end, we should be having an elf like this one on the picture. Okay. Well, this elf is very interesting. It can actually do something cute. It's nice, huh? Look, the fingers are his legs. Can you see that? Or maybe his hands. Legs are hands. All right, guys, the Elfie is ready. How do you like it? It's really cute. Can he walk? Try to walk, Marco. Try to walk him. Yeah, so he has your fingers as hands and your fingers as legs. And that's super cute. I hope you like it, guys. We wish to see you doing it too and enjoy it just as we did. And Elfie now says bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, everyone. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas and a happy